Oh, well, we've had a hell of a night. Really heavy, high winds, and the allotment, there's loads of damage on the allotment site. Lots of greenhouses like smashed to pieces basically. Polytunnels ripped and to shreds, and a few of my low tunnels got rips in them and things like that, but they're all repaired now. So I thought I'd just do a quick update on the greenhouse, because it's kind of all change in the greenhouse, which planted out all of my warm loving earlies, and my main crops are nowhere to be seen. I haven't even started most of my main crops, if any of my main crops, but you know, most of it's looking quite nice. I'm pretty pleased with it. I've been slightly distracted this year, but I've almost kept on top of everything. So I thought I'd just quickly sort of run you through what we've got here. So the peas are doing pretty well, about this high now. They're just in that corner there, and they're in flower. They're not quite as far on as they were last year, but I'm pretty happy with them so far. I've got my next batch of peas here. They're in flower as well. Different variety. These are Oregon Sugar Pod. Those are Lusaka. All of my early tomatoes are in the containers. So I've got 4 hanging basket tomatoes, Red Profusion, and Tumbling Tom Yellows. And I've got 1 mascot, I can't say it. Anyway, that's sort of not, doesn't look very good for a hanging basket, but it's a container, sort of dwarf one. And all of my cordons are here. So I've got 1 cordon each of all of the plants that I'll be growing as main crops. And within a week or so, I'll be taking all the side shoots off these, rooting those side shoots and using those as my main crop plants. So I would normally at this time, basically, you know, what is it today, the 5th? About now is when I'd be starting my polytunnel tomatoes from seed. But as I say, what I'm doing this year, what I did last year, was not start anything from seed apart from my early plants, and start all of my main crop plants from side shoots. So I found that much more reliable, got bigger, much healthier plants than the ones that I started from seed. And then I've got a few main crops in here, I suppose. I've got my main crop aubergines, Black Beauty, Baby Blackjack, and can't remember what the other one's called, but anyway, all the aubergines are down here. And I've got my early melons in here, and I've got Emir, Minnesota Midget, and Champagne. The Champagne's looking the nicest, actually. The Minnesota Midget's a bit leggy. I'll tie these up and they'll be going up on strings up into the roof up here over time. And I've got just 6 early peppers. I've not done very many early peppers here because I find they just do so well later in the low tunnels on the allotment and not so well in the greenhouse. It's a bit too hot for them in the greenhouse. But I have got all of my main crop peppers along here, and I've got a few up there, and I've got a few down there. But anyway, I've got 36 peppers there, and I've got just a few reserves just in case up there, little tiny ones. And oh yeah, I've got my polytunnel courgettes down there, and I'm just about to take my early celery to the allotment tomorrow for planting in the polytunnel after the Claytonia. I'm going to take some beetroot for planting, some tatsoi for planting, some radishes for planting. Lots of onions are already on the allotment, actually ready for planting, but they look like these do. Those are salad onions. They're going to get planted out in the ground as well in a few days' time. And I think, oh yeah, strawberries. Strawberries are doing nicely. Got a few strawberries on the early plants, lots of flowers on the second succession, and then obviously I've got huge numbers of strawberries outside in the hanging baskets and also in the ground. And all of my main crops, brassicas here, bit of parsley there, and some, I've got so many different successions of brassicas on the go, can't keep track. Just a few potatoes, last batch of potatoes to be planted out up there in the little tubs going in the ground, out under fleece. And that is it for the greenhouse. So loads going on in the polytunnel and on the allotment, all the allotments all planted and everything, but for now I think that's as much as I've got to say about the greenhouse update. My name's Steve, this is the Outgrow channel, and I'll see you soon.